Friends, now we have to solve simultaneous equations 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 3 graphically. Means by using graphs we have to solve these linear equations. Friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you will get our next coming videos. Now see friends, to solve these linear equations graphically, we have to draw their graphs. The graph of linear equation is a straight line. The graph of linear equation is a straight line. That means we have to draw two straight lines for these two equations. And to draw straight lines, we require at least 2 points of each line. That means we have to find here at least 2 points which satisfy each equation. Now see the first equation. 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is given first equation. Now we have to find 2 points by using table which satisfy this equation. Let us take value of x as 0. If we substitute this value in equation 3x minus y is equal to 2, we get value of y as minus 2. And therefore coordinate of this first point are 0 comma minus 2. That means x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 2. Now to find second point, let us take value of x as 1. After substituting this value in equation, we get the value of y as 1. And therefore the coordinates of the second point are 1 comma 1. Now we have 2 points, so we have to plot these 2 points on this graph to draw a straight line having equation 3x minus y is equal to 2. First we have to plot 0 comma minus 2. Its x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 2, so the point is on the y-axis. Now we have to plot second point 1 comma 1. Both are positive, so it is in first quadrant. Now we have to draw a straight line passing through these 2 points having equation 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now we have to find 2 points to draw the graph of the equation 2x minus y is equal to 3. First, let us take the value of x as 0. If we put this value in equation, we get a value of y as minus 3. And therefore, the point has coordinates 0 comma minus 3. So to find second point, let us take the value of x as minus 2. By putting this value in equation, we get a value of y as minus 7. And therefore, the second point has coordinates minus 2 comma minus 7. Now we have 2 points, so we have to plot these 2 points on the graph to find the straight line having equation 2x minus y is equal to 3. First point is 0 comma minus 3. This point has x coordinate 0, so it is on the y-axis at minus 3. Second point is minus 2 comma minus 7, so the point is in the third quadrant. Now we have to draw a line passing through these 2 points having equation 2x minus y is equal to 3. Now these 2 lines intersect each other at one point. This point has x coordinate minus 1 and y coordinate minus 5. So this is the point of intersection, and these coordinates means the solution of these linear equations. So minus 1 comma minus 5 is the solution of simultaneous equations 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 3.